Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota Hilux 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface. And it comes with special harness. You can take this canvas box and the special harness will come with head unit. So it's plug and play, no cutting wires. Okay, you can choose a time, you can choose logo, you also can change logo with Toyota. Okay. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Okay, let me choose the Belsee logo. Also, you can change this color screen panel. Okay, change green, orange, gray, blue, red. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the settings. Let me check. You can check MCU version, CPU octa-core, RAM 4GB, memory size 4GB, PX5 rack chip octa-core, Android version is 9, high system. Okay, let me back. Okay, this settings we set upgrade with color icon. It's built-in Wi-Fi, already connect Wi-Fi. Car settings, you can check the personal settings, autoplay music, turn on. This is for standby SSD memory. If you choose 10 minutes, when you back in car within 10 minutes and turn on the car, this head unit screen just start just 1 second. Okay. LED settings, you can choose the red, blue, orange, any color you can change this button. Okay, we choose a gray, click OK. Drum settings, you can check watch video, turn on watch video, and this is for reversing camera. It's a rear ruler, tracking display, X mirroring. Our Android head unit supports steering wheel controls. You can set the steering wheel control with press key and press buttons from in car. Steering wheel control settings. Okay, this navigation settings you can choose the map. Google Maps is built-in. It's navigation volume. When you touch, it will turn on the Google Play. And this radio. Click search button, you will get the radio stations. Okay. Let me show the setting. Car settings. Let me back. There is restore your system to factory settings. If you click OK, your head unit will be recovery original system. All data will be lost. Okay. It's RAM storage. You can check it's RAM 64 GB. 64 GB. Okay. Okay, firstly, let me introduce the internet. Let me connect SSR. Test Wi-Fi. Already connected Wi-Fi. Let me put our website belsee.com. Belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Belsee.com, Belsee.com. Okay. Okay, this is Wi-Fi. Let me introduce navigation. Also, you can open the Google Maps by this button. Let me search New York. In our country, doesn't directly visit and use Google service. We need to connect SSR. Sorry, it's Play Store. Reconnect. Okay, let me introduce music. There are two USB cable on back of head units. This USB driver. When you connect the USB driver, it will play music automatically. Volume. Okay, it's running Google Navigation and music at the same time. Let me show the video. You need to set in the settings, turn on the watch video. Turn on the watch video and let me try again. Video. Let me connect the small speaker with volume. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. You can check this Bluetooth. Let me find my phone. Please turn on the Bluetooth from your phone at first when you pair the Bluetooth. This is my phone, Galaxy S8. Enable Bluetooth. Click search button. Okay. Click pair button. You will get command from your phone. Put the phone pin number 40123440. Okay, it's connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make a phone call.
您好，欢迎致电中国联通。智能客服助理快速查话费查流量，请按9。话费机。
Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Volume from your phone. Okay, that's all. Thank you.